Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of investing for beginners. If you're new to investing and wondering where to start, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics and help you understand how to choose investments that align with your goals. Let's get started. Investing is a crucial step towards building wealth and achieving financial goals. It allows your money to work for you and grow over time. But before you start investing, it's important to have a solid foundation. The first step is to establish an emergency fund. This fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It acts as a safety net, protecting you from unexpected financial setbacks. Next, focus on paying off high-interest debt, such as credit cards or personal loans. By reducing your debt burden, you'll have more disposable income to invest. Now, let's talk about setting clear financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve through investing. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Having specific goals will help you choose the right investment strategy. When it comes to investing, it's important to understand the concept of risk and return. Generally, higher risk investments have the potential for higher returns, but they also come with increased volatility. Lower risk investments may offer more stability but with lower potential returns. Diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. Now, let's discuss how to choose investments. Research is crucial. Educate yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, mutual funds, index funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Understand their pros, cons, and associated risks. If you're unsure about making investment decisions on your own, consider seeking professional advice from a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation and goals. Finally, start small and monitor your progress regularly. Begin with an amount you're comfortable investing and gradually increase it over time. Keep track of your investments and make adjustments as needed. Investing for beginners may seem overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and approach, it can be a rewarding journey. Remember to build a strong financial foundation, set clear goals, diversify your investments, and stay informed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.